Hey guys, for today's video, we are going to be doing this hairstyle right here. I posted this on my shorts and I saw some comments where you guys were asking for a full-length tutorial, so that's what we're going to do today. So let's go ahead and get started. For this video, you're just going to need two things, not three, two, a hair elastic and really good bobby pins. I cannot stress that enough. Let me just show you. This is my drugstore Conair bobby pin. It is so flimsy. Look at the ends of it. It is so lightweight. This is my Metagrip one. I use these all the time. So they actually have smaller size, well, regular size, which is what I use for my hair type. And they also have larger ones. So if you have really thick hair, long hair, you'll probably want the Roller Pins one. I'll post a picture here, but I'll link both in my description box. They are, I just can't stress enough how good these bobby pins are. This is what the Metagrip ones look like. They're a little bit heavier than drugstore ones and they stay. They stay in my hair all day. I have no issues with them. So for this hairstyle, I am just gonna go ahead and put it back. You can see my hair is not styled to begin with, and that's okay. Now I'm gonna go ahead and it's a little bit frizzy. I want it to be nice and smooth, so I'm taking my Verb Ghost Oil and just do a couple drops. You want your hair to be very just sleek. You don't want it to be like frizzy for this hairstyle. You want it to be really smooth. What you're gonna do is you're gonna twist your hair around your finger to the left. Then you're gonna bring your ponytail up and around so it's right above your hair elastic. I'm gonna hold on to my ponytail with my opposite hand and I'm gonna continue twisting my hair again. Nice and tight. And you want to kind of bring it over a little bit. Now you're going to take your opposite pointer finger, go right under the twist, wrap your hair around, and you're going to twist your hair up like that and hold on to it. Then you're just going to take your bobby pins and you're going to insert them directly into that twist. Again, insert your bobby pins directly into that twist. Now there's two. I'll probably use one more, but even with two, it feels pretty secure. So I will do one more just right probably here. Now, if you have longer hair and you have ends hanging out, you could just wrap them up around your little figure eight that you did. My ends are not hanging out, so I don't really need to worry about that. But that is it. So easy. I hope you guys caught on to how to do it. It might take a couple times, but I promise you once you get the hang of it, it's so easy. So I'm gonna do a full 360 and show it to you guys from the front and the back and the sides, and you let me know what you think. So that is it. That is the video. Please don't forget to subscribe. I see so many people watch my video and they're not subscribed. It takes 2 seconds. Just press that button. It literally means the world to me. I love you guys. Thank you for watching. Mwah! Bye.